What if I told you that while many people are at their 9 to 5s, some teenagers are in their bedrooms earning what looks like a full-time salary? They're not necessarily coding the next big thing. Instead, they're using simple AI tools that almost anyone can get the hang of in an afternoon. In this video, I'm going to show you how they're reportedly doing it. This isn't just about pocket money. These are new AI side hustles building real income and creating a generation of young entrepreneurs. Forget the old idea of a starter job. The days of mowing lawns or flipping burgers are being supplemented by a new digital opportunity, and tech-savvy teens are jumping in. We're in the middle of a major shift thanks to AI. The barrier to starting a business hasn't completely disappeared, but it has been dramatically lowered. You no longer need a business degree or a huge loan. All you really need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the curiosity to use some of the most powerful tools ever created. These young innovators aren't just getting lucky. They're smart, fast, and see opportunities where others see complexity. They understand that AI isn't here to replace them. It's here to be their intern, their designer, and their 24/7 assistant. By the end of this video, you'll know the top AI side hustles that some teens are using to build their own businesses, and you'll have a blueprint for how you can explore your own path. Section 1. The AI Content Creation Empire. First up, the AI-powered content creation agency. The problem is simple but massive. Businesses everywhere, from local shops to big companies, need a constant stream of quality content. They need blog posts, social media updates, and video scripts to stay relevant. Traditionally, this meant hiring expensive agencies or freelancers, which could be slow and costly. The solution? A new breed of entrepreneur is emerging. Let's imagine a 17-year-old named Leo. He's not a professional writer or a video editing prodigy, but there are reports of teens like him making upwards of $10,000 a month by running a one-person content agency using AI tools. Here's the process. A new client, maybe a real estate agent, needs content. Leo could use ChatGPT to generate a month's worth of blog post ideas and social media captions based on housing market trends. He could then use those outlines in an AI writer like Jasper to flesh out the articles. For visuals, he might use Midjourney to create unique images and a tool like Canva's AI to assemble them into professional graphics. He could even offer video services, using tools that create videos from text, turning blog posts into short, engaging videos for social media with AI-generated voiceovers. He's not just providing a service, he's offering a strategy. He's delivering a complete content solution for a fraction of what a traditional agency might charge, and in a fraction of the time. Businesses get the content they need, and Leo builds a recurring revenue business that's impressively profitable. Section 2. The Automated Digital Product Factory. Next, side hustle number 2, the Automated Digital Product Factory. The dream of earning passive income from a digital product is huge, but creating ebooks, courses, or design templates used to require a ton of upfront work and specific skills. You had to be an expert writer, designer, or video producer. The solution is a new kind of creator, a 16-year-old will call Maya. She's building a passive income portfolio from her laptop. She doesn't have a design degree, but she's selling digital products on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. While not everyone strikes gold, the potential is there. Her secret is using AI as a creative partner. She might use ChatGPT to find niche topics for short ebooks, like A Beginner's Guide to Urban Gardening. The AI can help outline the book and even write the chapters. Then, she could use a design tool to format it into a professional-looking PDF in about an hour. But she doesn't have to stop there. Using AI art generators, she can create printable wall art, coloring book pages, or sticker sheets based on popular trends. She can generate dozens of unique designs in an afternoon. Each design becomes a new product listing that, once uploaded, can sell over and over. It's not about working harder, it's about building systems that work for you. Maya is creating a portfolio of digital assets that can generate a more hands-off income stream. If you're getting value from this and your mind is already racing with ideas, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to Wealth Saga. We're just getting started. Section 3. The No-Code AI Chatbot Agency. Side hustle number 3 is one of the most underrated but profitable opportunities right now: building AI chatbots for local businesses. Here's a problem every small business owner faces: they're experts at what they do, but they can't be available 24/7. They miss customer messages that come in after hours or on weekends. Every missed message can be a lost sale. They need help, but can't afford a full-time customer service team. The solution could be a tech-savvy teen like 18-year-old Sam. He could start an agency building AI-powered chatbots without writing a single line of code. Using no-code platforms like Chatbot or BotPress, it's possible to create custom chatbots for local businesses. These aren't just robotic responders. They are AI agents trained on the business's own data. Here's the model. Sam could approach a local restaurant and show them how a chatbot can instantly answer questions like, "What are your hours?" or "Do you have vegan options?" He could offer to build and maintain this chatbot for a monthly retainer, say $300. The restaurant owner sees the value. It saves time and captures customers. Now, think about scaling. If Sam lands just 15 clients, that's a potential $4,500 a month in recurring revenue. This is a modern business. Find a pain point and use accessible AI to offer a scalable solution. Section 4. The mindset shift from consumer to creator. The tools are powerful, but they aren't the whole story. The real secret behind why some of these kids are so successful is a fundamental shift in mindset. For years, many young people have been trained to be consumers of technology. They play games, scroll feeds, and watch content. This new wave of entrepreneurs has changed the game. They're no longer just consumers, they are creators and owners. They look at screen time as an opportunity, not just a distraction. A viral TikTok trend isn't just entertainment, it's market research. They see a problem and ask, "Is there an AI tool for that?" This mindset is what drives their success. It's a shift from passive consumption to active problem solving. This is the new productivity. It's not about working more hours, it's about using technology to create value. The teens who are winning are the ones who are curious, quick to experiment, and not afraid to fail. They'll try a new AI tool the day it comes out and test a side hustle idea over a weekend. This drive to take action is their biggest advantage. They are building the future, not just waiting for it. So there you have it. The AI content creation agency, the automated digital product factory, and the no-code AI chatbot agency. These aren't just clever ideas. They are real business models that are allowing some teenagers to build incredible income streams. The AI era is here. It has opened up a new frontier, one that values creativity, speed, and the willingness to learn. The tools are more accessible than ever, and the opportunities are growing every day. The only question is, what will you do with them? In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the specific AI tools that can help automate your income streams. Watch my next video on my channel Wealth Saga. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it.